So our theme of the month of April is talking about all different kinds of life cycles. So we have a butterfly life cycle I'll talk about. We're going to talk about frogs. We're going to talk about chickens. And the first one is going to be plants. So if you help your parents plant a garden, the first thing that you usually do is you plant seeds in the ground, right? So from the seeds in the ground, the roots grow and the plant sprouts. Then it keeps growing and growing. It loses its little seed, and then the leaves form. The first leaves that form on a plant are called cotyledons. So that's a really big word. But those are the leaves that help it grow, because plants need sunlight and water to grow. They also need soil, which helps them grow as well. So the sunlight hits the leaves and lets the plant grow big and strong. Then if you're growing like a flower, then the next step is it'll have the flower at the top, and eventually that flower will die off and it will drop these little seeds into the ground and start all over again. So that's the life cycle of a plant. So there's a couple things you can do at home to show this, and I'll make sure you have all the information for this. But this is showing all the parts of a flower, and the different parts of the flower are the roots, and there's the little seed it grew from, so it grows roots. It has a stem, that's what keeps it tall and strong. It has leaves, and this is the seeds on the inside of the flower, and that's the flower part itself. So those are all parts of a plant, a flower for this one. So if you guys have any extra like dried beans or seed packets at home, what you can do is if you take one of these and you put it in a wet paper towel in a Ziploc bag for a few days, and you open it, you should be able to see some roots and some leaves trying to grow. And then what you can do is plant it outside and see what happens. So that is a life cycle of a plant.